What is happening, everybody? I'm Rob with nerdnews.com, aka Robbie Diesel, joined again by none other than Nerd News Jr. himself.
Hey.
Hey. Today we got a very special unboxing. About a week or so before SummerSlam, WWE announced an exclusive partnership with SlamCrate to bring the latest, hottest wrestling collectibles. And today we have the very first WWE SlamCrate. We're going to be unboxing and checking out, seeing what all goodies came in this exclusive partnership here. So let's get right down to it. So, I am holding here the very first SlamCrate. Again, WWE and SlamCrate partnership. What do you think is going to be in here?
I've never opened a loot crate before.
Well, neither have I. A SlamCrate. I have unboxed a loot crate before. There's the link
in the description.
Alright, so you ready? Do the honors. Crack it open. Oh man.
Oh.
I like this already.
Oh god.
Oh, this is amazing.
No. Oh gosh, he's gonna be addicted.
I love you, but I'm keeping this. We got an exclusive New Day pop vinyl. All three members of the New Day riding a unicorn.
Can you let me at least keep
You got
this?
the group picture on the back there. What is that? What else we got here?
A New Day shirt.
I don't think that's a New Day. You should probably turn that around.
Oh, maybe it's not a New Day.
What is that?
Bada boom? Oh.
Bada boom. Looks like we got ourselves an exclusive Enzo and Big Cass t-shirt.
No.
Looks to be my size too.
You'll be the big brown Big Cass.
Irony. What else we got in here?
What's that?
It's a bamboo pot with Mitch engraved on the side there, which for those who follow wrestling, Mitch was the name of Dean Ambrose's plant that he used during the Ambrose Asylum, his very own talk show. What do you got there?
Sasha Banks is...
Some grade A Boss glasses. Ooh. And they do say legit Boss.
Legit.
You're gonna do the rest of the video with those on. What else? Oh, this is dope.
What is it?
Of course you wouldn't know.
Oh, is it one of the championship belt things?
It is not just a championship belt. It is the championship belt. This is a pin with the Winged Eagle championship design on there. That is the same title that the Hulkster held. Bret Hart, Shawn Michaels, even Stone Cold had the Winged Eagle title design, and that is arguably the single most popular design of all the championship belts. What you got there?
An iron-on patch, NXT.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
Thing.
NXT iron-on patch. So you can become a WWE recruit. Wow. This is heavy. Hang on. Let's see what this is. It's packaged up pretty good.
What is that?
Awesome. It's a Dean Ambrose belt buckle with the Dean Ambrose insignia on there. That's pretty awesome.
We have an NXT Austin Aries.
Ah, nice, a collectible card. And then of course you have the insert book that basically describes everything that you got. This is pretty awesome.
Is that awesome?
And of course the box unfolds into a WWE ring design. I don't know if you can see it in there. And the theme for this month, of course, was the first, because this is the very first SlamCrate.
This is a little video before Halloween.
Oh man, that folds out into a very awesome Shinsuke Nakamura poster too.
I love that.
I like this. This was great. Filled with a ton of goodies. Ah, looks like an interview with Xavier Woods is in there as well. So what do you think, buddy? What'd you think?
Right.
Are you gonna keep all of this stuff?
I guess.
Think you're gonna steal it from me?
I guess I could keep the Dean Ambrose stuff, and you can keep those two. And the end zone.
Oh, you'll let me keep it?
I'll take the Mitch.
Cool. So what was your favorite thing in the loot crate? It doesn't matter what your favorite thing was! If you like this video, make sure you hit the like button. Subscribe to the channel. More videos like it.
Ow!
Hit the like button. Share it with some friends. Thank you guys so very much for watching. We're out of here.
I'm the boss.